Dear Miss Giselda, greetings in the precious name of Jesus, our soon coming King. I hope when these few lines of mine reach at you, it will find you in the bestest of health. Me reach Canada alright and not even pain in the foot them. Thank God for traveling mercies. The plane ride was very good, not even one bump. Like when we go from down a page if we go up a Kelly market and the vehicle them just a dodge pothole and a fairly hill. No, missus, not even one pothole. But one at the time me catch me afraid, because the plane did just a go up and down and a rock sideways like a hit a go drop out of the sky. Me daughter say them call it turbulences. One at the time it dipped so low that a piece of bad feeling take me in a me stomach. A lucky thing me did have the little backlash smelling salt where you did give me. If I did follow you do, I would have dead for hungry pan the plane. A lucky thing me didn't yam the little chicken back gravy with me little piece of rent I yam. You remember when you did you tell me say me no fi bother full up me belly because pan plane me I go get all sort of manner food and drinks pan the plane? Missus, not a thing no go so. Them give me a pack of peanut, one sweetie, half a glass of soda and 2 little crackers pan the side. And nobody ask if the little plastic glass where then give me soda in never little bit. And me dear, when me last me pass, we go ask the woman for a little bit more soda. She a look at me like she no understand what me I say. Me daughter say he's not like one time though when here Jamaica used to give you rice and peas with chicken and the hell of a glass of carrot juice. But nevertheless, me reach Canada alright. Thank God again for traveling mercies. The breeze up here a blow coolish though, So me still a wear me undergarments like a me flannel, me half and me full slip. Even though me daughter say me wear too much clothes. Me no able to go catch up foreign draft in me body, yeah? Anyways, give my love to everybody in the district and give a yai pan the 2 potato and the little sorrel where me plant topside yard. We will see each other soon, cause I don't want to turn up here too long to go Miss Raleigh or Miss Mass Robert funeral. God's willing, I will see you very soon, Miss Giselda, from your loving and dear friend, Miss Selva.